Today I'm going to show you how to change the messages theme for Instagram. Real quick before I get into it, if you're enjoying these tutorials, definitely like and subscribe to my channel. So here we are on the Instagram app. They've added a brand new feature which I've noticed only some accounts have, and that will let you change the theme for messages within your app. So maybe all accounts will have this soon. Maybe they'll allow for themes here on the homepage soon as well. But let's get right into this. The first thing you want to do is go to your messages in the top right corner. And from here, you'll just want to tap directly into a chat. And this chat theme will be specific to that person. You can see down here on the bottom, it says you change the chat theme to this. So like I said, some accounts can change this, some can't. But if you're on an account that can't change it, when someone else changes it, you'll get this message down here on the bottom and you'll be able to tap change theme, so you can change it that way. But for the accounts that it's working, you can just tap the information icon in the top right corner, and from here we'll get some options. You want to tap on theme. So I'm going to go through and show you all of the themes. The one we just saw was Tiny Tan theme. Looks like some of these are branded themes as well. We have the Fast Saga. We have Ocean. We have Pride, which doesn't seem like it's working. Not sure what's up with that. Maybe it only works in light mode. Nope. We have Olivia Rodrigo. Selena, the series. Earth. Chill. Tiny Tan. Love. Tie-dye. Also, if you switch to light mode, you see you get a little bit of different theme there. So you can try that for some of these as well. Monochromatic. Then it looks like we just have a bunch of different gradients here. Let's just try candy. Doesn't seem like that worked. Let's try a different gradient. Tropical. Oh, it just changes the messages color, like the bubble. Okay. So if you want like a yellow bubble, you can do that. So the Pride one just changes the bubble colors as well. But yeah, there you have it. There's the different chat themes and how to change them. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.